A supporter just gave to your cause for the very first time. And then nothing. No hello, no thank you. The best moment to turn a one-time gift into a lasting supporter gone. Let's fix that. Here's the plan. Add every first-time donor to your Mailchimp audience so your welcome series can take it from there. In Charitable, open the automation menu, add a webhook, and choose the Mailchimp template to start. Give it a clear name. Now the important part, the event. Choose donor-created first donation so it fires only for brand new supporters. Then paste your Mailchimp endpoint as the delivery URL. The template drops in a starter rule, but we want every first-time donor. So clear the conditions and let the event do the work. Save, then open Test and Debug and send a real request to confirm a green success. On the Mailchimp side, point that webhook at your audience using their API or a connector like Zapier or Make. That link is what adds the contact. And there it is. Every first-time donor lands in your audience automatically tagged and ready for your welcome series. A warm first impression without lifting a finger. One-time donors become repeat supporters when you welcome them well. This makes that welcome automatic. Using Automation Connect and have an idea for us, reach our team anytime at wpcharitable.com. For more Charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.